Hi there, Miss Lams here. So now we're going to show you how we use the centrifuge machine. Okay, so these are the centrifuge tubes. Okay, so you can close it with the caps. Okay, when it spins, so to avoid any liquid from spinning out and spill into the machine. All right, and the next one is there's two tubes of solutions. It's very cloudy. So what I'm going to do is I want to just keep the suspension. I just want a suspension, and then I want to sediment all those particulates very quickly. So what I do is I fill in the solutions using into the centrifuge tubes. Okay, one thing you need to watch out for is that they must be in the same volume. Okay, because otherwise there will be uneven spin. And also, apart from same volume, they must be placed in opposite directions to ensure that the spin is equal. So here I just put this in 10 and 4. Okay, and then I just close this. Okay, press a little bit. Okay, and then once it's secured, okay, you can press start and let it spin. So during the spinning, okay, so usually the lab technicians is already set up the protocol, the functions program of the centrifuge machine. So for this one is they set up 1 minute and then they spin like 20 times per 100 RPM. Okay, so that's how fast it's spin. Right, so don't tapple with all these, it will be very confusing. Just what you need to do is just close the things, okay, and then press start, and then that will be fine. And once it's ready, okay, then it will have a beep, and then it will open up the lid. So you cannot force stop it, okay, so you need to wait for it. So, alright, so you will hear there's a beeping sound, and then it will open it by itself. And let's take a look. So this one, you can see that the sediment is at the bottom already, and the solution is slightly more clearer. Let's see this one. Okay, again, you can see that the sediment is actually here at the tip. Okay, so it's actually there's some here, and the sediment we call it pellet. Okay, so usually we will discard it, and usually the supernatant is what we keep. Okay, so key things for using centrifuge machine is, first of all, make sure the fluid is in the same volume, and make sure you secure with the cap. And when you put it in, you put it by opposite positions to ensure an even spin. Generally speaking, although there are 12 slots, but generally speaking, because if you can see, if I put it here side by side, they will click onto each other. So that's very dangerous. So actually, the maximum amount of tubes that you can put in is about six per round. Okay. Oh, one more thing, okay, you can see that the pellet here is quite sticky. It's sticky to the bottom of the centrifuge tubes. So it's very important that you really rinse away the pellet, okay, so then the next user can use it. It will not interfere with their labs. So what you do is you can get a brush, okay, so this is a brush near the sink, and you can use the tip of the brush to help you to remove the pellets inside the centrifuge tubes. So I hope this video helps. Thank you and bye for now.